Bonsoir à vous. Oui, effectivement, la Fondation américaine célèbre son 40e anniversaire. 40 années à soutenir les talents créatifs dans le domaine du cinéma, du théâtre ou encore de la danse. Je vous propose de revenir sur cette soirée de gala en images. Tapis rouge, lieu prestigieux, la Princess Grace Foundation USA renoue avec sa longue tradition de remise des prix. Depuis 40 ans, elle a soutenu plus de 900 artistes aux États-Unis. La fondation est née d'une volonté du prince Régnier III en hommage au talent et à la carrière de la princesse Grace.
Supporting artists was one of Princess Grace's greatest passions. It's something she actually did very quietly throughout her lifetime. When she passed away, they discovered she was supporting artists. And so Prince Rainier really did this to honor the work that she did very quietly in her lifetime. They're selected by experts within the fields of theater, dance, and film. So first they are nominated. Someone sees them and says, this is the next wonderful, extraordinary artist. And then they're reviewed by panels of experts who look at them and are really looking at identifying artistic excellence and promise of extraordinary.
La Princess Grace Award statue d'une valeur de $25 000, remise à 2 lauréats, le dramaturge et finaliste du prix Pulitzer, Brandon Jacob Jenkins, et la réalisatrice de théâtre et de cinéma, Lila Neugebauer. Les prix pour les projets spéciaux qui ont offert près de 2 millions de dollars de bourse depuis leur création en 2003. La bourse Grace Kelly qui s'adresse aux très jeunes artistes émergents encore au lycée. Et pour finir, le Princess Grace Awards dont les gagnants reçoivent chacun $15 000 et $1 500 pour les lauréats honoraires. Un soutien non négligeable pour leur carrière.
It's such a blessing to be here. I was just looking at this backdrop and I remember maybe years ago, maybe about 5 years ago, Googling Princess Grace Award just to put it on my vision wall. And to be here and to see it come to fruition is such a blessing and such a testament to my God. And I'm just very grateful and honored to be recognized on such a prestigious level.
It's an encouraging breath of fresh air. Being an artist very much is a marathon, and along the way you get very winded. If you ever run a marathon, which I've never done myself, I'm told it's around mile 15, you're I'm dying. And then as a filmmaker, you have such a storied organization like Princess Grace and Grace Kelly's memory there to push us forward, telling us that you are not alone and your work matters. And with everything you do, there is vision, there is sight, and there is love, because it's just a lovely foundation.
I think that it's part of the legacy, of receiving this award and then going on to continue to do work. It's substantial support. It's a great connection to community and to other artists, even the other artists who I'm being awarded with tonight, getting to know them over the past few days. We're already dreaming about the projects that we will do together and how we'll use the support of this foundation to keep making wonderful art and keep growing ourselves and each other. So I'm very excited about that.
Cette année marquait également le retour du prix Prince Régnier III, créé en 2005. Plusieurs grands noms du monde artistique font partie des lauréats. James Cameron, Julie Andrews, Queen Latifah, George Lucas, Glenn Close ou encore Mikhail Baryshnikov, pour n'en citer que quelques-uns. Et pour l'édition 2024, c'est une légende du cinéma qui a reçu la statuette des mains du prince souverain, Michael Douglas. Ce prix est accompagné d'une subvention de $25 000 à l'organisation philanthropique choisie par le récipiendaire. Elle a ainsi été remise pour cette édition à la Douglas Foundation. De par ses prestigieuses récompenses, la Princess Grace Foundation USA soutient ces talentueux artistes dans toutes les étapes de leur carrière.